Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a fortune teller. So, first you want to get a Sharpie or like a marker or something, and then a piece of paper, doesn't matter how big it is or how like the width it is, and then you'll need scissors. If your paper isn't squared already, mine's kind of like rectangular, that would work. So, first, you'll want to, you can just skip the video to where I start like folding it and stuff if your paper's already squared. So, first, you will want to take like almost to the corner, like right about here, right about there, and then so start bringing it from there and going all the way over, like that. About maybe like close to halfway through, but not all the way halfway through. And then you want to do a straight line down the middle like that. Like this. And then, if it's not a square, like mine, then you'll want to take this part of it, take right about here, right about that, like that little mark, and just start moving it straight down until it gets to the other end, like this. And then, when it's finally a square, take that part, that kind of middle part, and just start cut it through until it's like a square. Make sure it's not a rectangle, like this, like this, a little bit. Yeah. Just make sure it's just like a regular square, four sides, blah blah blah. You know your shapes. Okay. Then, so you'll want to fold these corners, fold one corner into the middle, just like that. Hold on, folded that wrong? Don't look. Right about the middle right there. That. And you want to take another corner next to it and fold it into the middle. No, like across it. Fold it into the middle, so like diagonal from it. Like don't put it how I did it. So put it so it looks like this, and then take the other corner and put it in like that, like so. Then you want to do it to the last one. So once all sides are folded into the middle, so on the other side it looks like an envelope, you want to turn it over so it looks like this, just blank. And then you want to fold this back side straight into the middle like this. Like that. And then you'll do it with the other one. I'm just making a mini one right now, so look how small that is. It's like almost as small as my glasses ones. So, then you will want to, wait, that corner is smushed. Hold it. No, my corner was just smushed a little bit. Okay. Then you'll want to you'll turn it over again. And you'll want to, take this, so it has all these sides that you just folded. Oh, yep, there it is. I just lost it for a moment. So all of them are folded in, and then you'll write colors on them, or anything like sorry, 4 colors, like gold, silver, blah, blah, blah. So let's see. I'm going to write this with a gel pen. Any kind of pen. Just don't use a Sharpie because it's way too big. I'm going to use blue. Okay. So, you want to do like a color. For the first one, I'm going to do neon. You can do any colors. Neon, let's do silver. How about green? And what other one should we do? How about, just any color, orange. Orange. Okay, so it looks like, it'll look like that. And then you'll want to turn it over so it looks like this, from that to this. And then you'll want to write numbers on them. So like 1, 2, 'Like it looks like this, like 1, 2, 3, 4. That looks like a 5. Like when I turn it like that, it looks like a 5. When I turn it like that, 2. Okay. Now you'll open it, put like a secret message inside, like you will go camping, and then let's go on to the next one. Let's say you'll have dinner with a stranger. And then you'll close that one, go on to the next one. And write something else. We'll get a new pet. Well, you can write anything, like not just the things that you write. You can like write anything. And these are just examples. You don't have to do them. You'll meet a famous person. So you'll close all of them, and then you'll fold it in like this. So the colors are on the outside, and the numbers are on the inside. So you'll take your your thumb and your pointer finger, put them in these two little flaps. One on one side, one on the other. Then you'll take the other thumb and pointer finger, put them on these sides. This is very small, so it's hard. Don't worry if it's hard, just deal with it. Just kidding. Okay, and then if it's like still flat and it's hard to push in, put your chin in and like just try to push them out the best you can, like little diamonds. Push them out. We'll push them into the middle so it's like flat. And then you can just push all of them in together into the middle. And then you'll have a mini fortune teller. Then like you can say like pick a color. Green, Green. And then like pick a number. 4 or 2. Like let's say 2. 1, 2. Then like pick another number, 2. Then you'll open the 2 flap. You will go camping. That's basically how you use it and how you make it. Thanks.